Hello traders, today is 23rd of November 2023. What a blessing day guys, and bank amazing profit. Pound dollar, let me share with you guys in 4 hour. That was a pretty straightforward, beautiful short trade yesterday. As explained to my trader, if the market is going to break this level, possibility of short trade. We also had a beautiful short trade, bank amazing profit. As soon as the market hit to the previous high, we managed very decent profit yesterday. And afterward, we were expecting some price reaction. So we also had a counter trade as soon as the market could not stay below this level. We also had a counter trade and bank amazing profit. Now, let me share with you guys how I analyze the entries. That's the key important thing. And that's what helped my traders to bank amazing profit. You can see here, we look at the price action at this level yesterday at the New York session. As explained to my trader, we have this false breakout. That's the high probability market price gonna break this major support level in 4 hour. As you can see here, based on this analysis, market nicely broken. Afterwards, we also announced this another pullback. As soon as the price hit to the profit target, that's what explained my trader it's time to enjoy amazing profit. So after banking some profit as we expected here in 4 hour, possibility of reversal at this level. So we had another analysis which you explained. As you can see, the market impulsively reversed and could not maintain below this level, as you can see here. So as explained, my trader let the market break out, and then we look at if market is going to break, that's the sign of continuation. Otherwise, that's the sign of counter opportunity. As you can see, a market nicely broken, beautiful. As soon as the market hits this level, which is again close to the 200 EMA, and that's what explained my trade. It's time to enjoy some profit. And let's see here, London Open, what sort of opportunities created. But we already bank amazing profit. So guys, you want to see those analyses in real time with full description? Most welcome. Join our fast growing today community and have a nice day, guys.